In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DoorDash app in 2025. Whether you're craving your favorite meal from that cozy restaurant down the street or looking to try something new, DoorDash makes it incredibly easy to satisfy your hunger without stepping out of your home. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to start by downloading the DoorDash app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to create an account. This step involves a few essential details. You'll be prompted to complete a background check, ensure your payment information is set up correctly, and verify your contact details. This setup is crucial to ensure smooth transactions and deliveries. Next, it's time to set up your delivery location. Open the app and create an address. This is where your meals will be delivered. If you have multiple addresses like your home, work, or a friend's house, you can add them conveniently in the app. Just remember, having an accurate address helps the delivery driver find you quickly. Once your account is set up and your address is added, you're ready to make your first order. Before diving headfirst into the menu, it's helpful to know what you're craving. The DoorDash app categorizes products, making it easy to navigate. You can browse through categories such as popular restaurants, cuisines, or categories like sushi, burgers, desserts, and more. After identifying what you're in the mood for, select the category and browse the available options. As you peruse the menu, you can add items to your cart by simply tapping the Add to Cart button next to the dish. This will save your choices until you're ready to review and confirm your order. When you've made your selections, it's time to officially make an order. Double-check your cart to ensure everything looks good. This includes the quantities and specific dish choices. If everything checks out, it's time to proceed to the payment section. The payment step is straightforward but essential. Make sure you have added a valid payment method. DoorDash accepts various forms of payment, making it accessible and convenient. Whether you're using a credit card, debit card, or another method, check that the details are correct and up to date. Finally, with everything in order, you can place the order. By confirming your order, you're sending it off to the restaurant to prepare your delicious meal. You'll receive updates on your delivery status so you can even track the delivery in real time. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effortlessly navigate and use the DoorDash app in 2025. Now enjoy your meal and the convenience that DoorDash brings right to your doorstep. Enjoy.